So now we're in the step 2 is to generate an Avro file from the schema. So we have our input data, which is a text file from dataset 1 and dataset 2 that we use in our problem to example in our problem to input. So we're gonna output this to an S3, but for now we're just gonna run this in our local to just test and verify that we're generating the correct Avro file. But when we run this in the EMR, we will set the output to an S3 directory. So let's run the generation of the Avro file as our output. So this is the source code that we use. It does not deduplicate the data that it accepts or as an input. So it will actually write to an S3, but right now we're just going to write it into our local output. So it's this is the arguments. So we get the data from our input P2. So it will get from dataset 1 and dataset 2, and it will output to an output Avro directory. So we see it right here. This is the dataset that we use, that we will be using. So let's run this, and it should generate a new directory as an output-avro directory. So as we can see right here, it gets the data input from this file, the duplicates. So right now it does not deduplicate the data. So let's check on the result. You see that the Avro file that was generated. So we can verify that this contains the correct data by running the. So I've already run this earlier. Let's run this again. So I use this command because the output data is this one, so we will just verify that it contains the correct Avro content that we're expecting. So this is about 100 record. So right here, so we verified that it contains the correct data. So that corresponds to our 4 fields right here. So